Hello friends, welcome to our third video this week as we look at conditional formatting in Excel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to add colored bars to show the data values in a cell. My name is Mercy Consolita. Let's get started. We are working with this cost column and assuming we want to represent the data contained within this column in terms of bars, you can just select the column, come over to conditional formatting. Then you scroll down to data bars. Then you have these two options, either to use gradient fill or solid fill. Now, if you just hover over this, you can see that the bars are appearing. The solid fill is also appearing. So let's choose solid fill. And if you come to your data, let's just try to expand this a bit. As you can see, the length of the bar here indicates how high or how low the value is. So for higher values, the length will be longer than for lower values. You can just see that physically. If we say sort, just sort the values from largest to smallest. So as you can see, from the highest to the lowest, the length of the bar keeps reducing. So that has been it for this video. If you've enjoyed the content, please give the video a thumbs up, share with your friends, and subscribe to the channel so that you're posted on new videos as they're released. Thank you and happy learning.